Best tennis rackets. Are you looking for the best tennis rackets? In this video we will look at 5 of the best tennis rackets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The Head T.S6 tennis racket is a lightweight, high-performance racket designed for players looking for power, comfort, and ease of use. It features titanium and graphite construction, which combines the strength and durability of titanium with the flexibility and responsiveness of graphite, providing excellent stability and control. The titanium-infused frame enhances the racket's durability while offering a more forgiving feel on impact, making it ideal for players who need a racket that can absorb shock and reduce arm strain. Weighing just 8.9 ounces, strung, the T.S6 is incredibly lightweight, allowing for easy maneuverability and faster swing speeds, making it perfect for players seeking added power and a larger sweet spot. The 107 square inch head offers a larger hitting surface, ensuring greater forgiveness on off-center hits and providing more power and spin on the ball. The 16 by 19 string pattern further aids in generating spin while maintaining control. This racket is pre-strung, saving time and making it ready for play right out of the box. Its head-heavy balance provides extra power and stability during shots, particularly on serves and ground strokes. The oversized grip ensures a comfortable hold, reducing hand fatigue during extended play sessions. Overall, the Head T.S6 tennis racket is designed for recreational to intermediate players who want a lightweight, forgiving racket that offers power, comfort, and ease of use. Its large sweet spot and titanium construction make it a great choice for players looking to improve their game with a reliable and durable racket that helps with control, power, and comfort. Number 2. The Yonex Ezone 107th Gen tennis racket is a high-performance racket designed for players seeking a combination of power, control, and comfort. This latest generation of the Ezone series features an updated frame design and Yonex's signature isometric head shape, which offers a larger sweet spot and better off-center hit forgiveness. With a 100 square inch head size, the Ezone 100 is ideal for players of various skill levels, offering a balanced mix of power and precision. The racket's construction incorporates M40X graphite, which enhances the frame's flexibility and stability. This results in improved ball pocketing and a more responsive feel on contact, allowing players to generate more spin and control. The Liner Tech technology, with its horizontal string pattern, ensures that the strings align properly for greater comfort and more consistent shots, reducing vibration and increasing the sweet spot area. Weighing around 305 grams, unstrung, the Ezone 100 offers a solid yet maneuverable frame that suits aggressive baseline players and all-court players alike. The headlight balance improves maneuverability and swing speed, helping players react quickly at the net or generate more pace on serves. The racket also features the vibration dampening mesh (VDM) in the handle, which reduces unwanted vibrations, offering a smoother and more comfortable feel during intense play. Overall, the Yonex Ezone 107th Gen tennis racket is perfect for players looking for a versatile racket that combines power, control, comfort, and a large sweet spot. Whether you're a recreational or intermediate player, this racket provides the tools needed for improved performance, spin generation, and overall playability. Number 3. The Wilson Blade 98 16x19 V9 is a premium performance tennis racket designed for advanced players seeking exceptional control, feel, and precision. It features a 98 square inch head size, offering a balanced sweet spot that provides a combination of control and power. The 16x19 string pattern enhances spin potential while maintaining excellent precision on ground strokes, making it a great choice for players who focus on creating heavy spin and executing accurate shots. The V9 technology incorporates graphite and basalt construction, which increases frame stability and reduces vibration, delivering a solid and responsive feel at impact. This advanced construction enhances both ball control and comfort, allowing for better feedback and a more connected feel with the ball. The racket's Feel Flex technology improves flexibility at key points of the frame, ensuring that players get consistent performance across various shot types, from powerful serves to delicate volleys. Weighing approximately 305 grams, unstrung, the Wilson Blade 98 V9 provides a balance of maneuverability and stability. Its headlight balance allows for faster reactions and precise handling, particularly for net play and volleys. This racket is designed for players who demand a racket that responds well to fast swings and can handle a high level of intensity on the court. Available in grip sizes 1 to 4, the Wilson Blade 98V9 ensures that players can find a comfortable fit for their hand, allowing for maximum control and reduced risk of injury. Its overall design caters to experienced players who require superior precision, spin, and control, making it a top choice for competitive athletes looking to elevate their game. Number 4. The Sonya Blackout 300 tennis racket is a high-performance racket designed for advanced and competitive players who seek a blend of power, control, and spin. With a 300-gram weight, unstrung, it offers a balanced combination of maneuverability and stability, making it suitable for players who prefer fast swings and aggressive playing styles. The 100-square-inch head provides a generous sweet spot, enhancing forgiveness on off-center hits while maintaining precision and control during ball contact. The 16x19 string pattern helps generate ample spin, allowing players to add extra rotation to their shots for more aggressive play from the baseline. The Sonya Blackout 300 features a graphite construction that ensures a solid feel and excellent feedback, enabling players to maintain control over powerful shots without sacrificing comfort. Its headlight balance further improves maneuverability, making it easier to control the racket during fast exchanges at the net or when executing quick volleys. One of the key features of the Blackout 300 is its dynamic flex and stability, thanks to its dual carbon fiber construction. This design absorbs shock and minimizes vibrations, reducing strain on the arm and enhancing comfort during extended play. The ergonomic grip allows for a more natural hold, further contributing to comfort and control. Overall, the Sonya Blackout 300 tennis racket is ideal for players seeking a racket that excels in creating spin, power, and control while offering a solid, comfortable feel. Whether playing aggressive ground strokes or executing precise volleys, this racket provides the tools needed to perform at a high level. Its combination of advanced materials and design makes it a top choice for competitive players looking to enhance their performance on the court. Number 5. The Wilson ProStaff 97V14 is a high-performance tennis racket designed for advanced players who demand precision, control, and feel in their game. With a 97-square-inch head size, it offers a more traditional, smaller sweet spot that is ideal for players seeking ultimate control and accuracy. The 16x19 string pattern enhances spin potential while maintaining precise shot placement, making it well-suited for players who rely on consistency and tactical play. Weighing around 315 grams, unstrung, the ProStaff 97V14 offers a solid and stable frame, providing exceptional feedback on each shot. Its headlight balance ensures quick maneuverability, allowing players to react swiftly during fast exchanges at the net or while executing volleys. The braided graphite construction, combined with Kevlar technology, provides outstanding frame stability and a connected, responsive feel at impact. This construction reduces vibrations, delivering a smoother and more controlled playing experience, which is especially beneficial during long matches. One of the standout features of the ProStaff 97V14 is the Wilson's 45 technology, which enhances the flexibility of the frame for a better feel and improved comfort. This technology allows the racket to flex more naturally on contact with the ball, providing better control without sacrificing power. Designed for advanced players seeking the highest level of precision and performance, the Wilson ProStaff 97V14 is the perfect tool for those who rely on consistency and fine control in every shot. Whether for aggressive ground strokes or delicate touch volleys, this racket offers the power, stability, and feel that elite players require to elevate their game. Its combination of control, feel, and responsiveness makes it a top choice for competitive players.